In 1907, a young Austrian teenager named Adolf Hitler stood outside the Academy of Fine Arts in Vienna. He held a folder full of drawings, landscapes, buildings, and scenes from the city. This was his second try to get into the art school. He had already been rejected once. The professor didn't like how he drew people, but he had practiced and returned hoping they would say yes this time. Now imagine this. What if they had accepted him? A painter, not a dictator. If Hitler had been accepted, everything might have changed. Instead of becoming angry and lonely, he may have spent his life painting quiet street scenes and old churches. He may have become a quite unknown artist, just one of many in Europe at that time. His art style was very traditional. He didn't like modern art, like abstract or expressionism. So he may not have become famous, but he could have had a simple life, maybe selling paintings, working with architects, or teaching art. Not a great artist, but not a monster either. Years of rejection, hunger, and failure in Vienna were key in turning him bitter and full of hate. Without that pain, he may never have become the man who gave angry speeches and led crowds in Germany years later. A different Germany without Hitler. Germany's history could have looked very different. After losing World War I, Germany was in a terrible situation. People were angry and felt humiliated by the treachery of Versailles. Someone was going to rise and speak to that anger, but without Hitler, it might not have become so dangerous. The Nazi Party may have stayed small and unimportant. There were still anti-Jewish ideas in Europe, but without Hitler's voice and planning, they may never have become government policy. Germany may have moved toward another kind of leader, or even stayed a democracy, despite the hard times. That means no Nazi rallies, no swastika flags, no invasion of Poland, and most importantly, no Holocaust. A war that might not have happened without Hitler. World War II, as we know, it may not have started. There was still tension around the world. Japan wanted more land in Asia. Stalin ruled the Soviet Union with fear. France and British were watching nervously. But the scale and horror of World War II, that was mainly because of Hitler's action. More than 70 million people died in that war. Jews, Roma, disabled people, children, soldiers, and civilians, all victims of a plan created by one man. Cities like Warsaw, London, Berlin, and Hiroshima were destroyed. The atomic bomb was rushed because the Allies feared Hitler would get one first. Without Hitler, the war might never have reached that level. The Cold War between the US and Soviet Union might not have happened either, or at least not the same way. A different Middle East. No Hitler means no Holocaust. Without the Holocaust, the world may not have felt the same pressure to create the state of Israel in 1948. There were already efforts for a Jewish homeland, but sympathy after the Holocaust made it urgent and widely supported. A life that changed the world. It's hard to believe, but one small event, a few art teachers saying no, may have helped lead to the worst war in human history. Of course, they couldn't have known. To them, Hitler was just another young man who couldn't draw people well enough. But history is full of these moments. A missed job, a failed test, or a single rejection can shape a person and through them shape the world. In the end, if Hitler had become a painter, he might have lived and died unknown. His work may have hung in a local cafe or small galleries. People might have remembered him as a quiet man who loved buildings and old streets but couldn't quite draw faces. Instead, we remember him as the man who started a world war and caused the death of millions. All because one door was closed, and instead of trying another, he chose hate.